Well, we are trying to do OMAD. 1 meal a day. Kaya ba?
Asking kaya lang bawi dito ang dalawang rice.
Pero kung hindi kaya, at least mga 2 meals, and every meal, ako, I vow to like have half cup lang of rice. Nahirapan kasi ako before na hindi ako nagre-rice, tapos sobrang grabe yung craving ko. By the time I eat rice, isang bundok ng rice na yung kinakain ko. So sabi ko, I don't have to deprive myself, I just have to minimize yung mga food na gusto ko. So anyway, here's our Mother's Day meal.
Yeah.
We have pakbet, tuna pa nga.
Belly.
Tuna belly. Sorry. Yay, my favorite paksiyo. And pastil for Taz. And then, syempre, hindi naman namin mauubos yan. So, if ever magutom ulit later for our second meal and Taz's third meal, yung leftovers na lang. That way, tipid na. And at the same time,